Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but here we go again. This was printed in this orientation. This is the $16 Amazon PLA. I used Prusa Control. Default settings for generic PLA. I did drop the temperature down to 205. I did drop the bed down to 60. I told it to print the first two layers. Well, I did it manually. I printed the first two layers at 75%, and then I moved it up to 100%. It took a little over 13 hours. Let's take a look, see if it works. This was no post-processing. This is right off the build plate. I did print with a brim, and I used glue stick because this is such a narrow item. But you can see, oh, looks like that one joint has got a little bit of a distortion on it. Some hairs, a little bit, a couple right there. But other than that, it moves fluidly. Great print. Again, I'm nothing but impressed with the new Prusa i3. A lot of other printers don't know jack. Sorry, couldn't resist that pun. But there you go. A little bit of a surface detail loss there. A little one line right here. A little bit of a layer shift right there. That might have been due to a cooling fan kicking on, because it looks like it's, oh no, it's only on the back half, but it is going right through here. But other than that, it's an excellent print.